law, we won't review it or allow the citizens to discuss anything or express their input.
Exactly.
That is absurd. Setting a indeterminate date of whenever. We've been 6 years without a meeting properly done that's required by the private act to be responsible to the citizens to allow input. Perhaps if this committee had met over the course of the last 6 years, much of this may have been addressed and this already would have been handled. So I do not stand for you guys kicking the can further and further and further down the road playing political games.
Exactly.
Yes, at the meeting of the Anderson County Legal Advisory Committee today, that was requested by citizens, we acknowledged a couple things. One, we hadn't had a meeting in an extended period of time, during which time I was not a member of the committee, but now we're trying to get that fixed. There was concerns about the law director raised, and the people that requested the meeting were part of the current ouster suit, trying to remove the law director from his office. That case is right now in court. It had already been dismissed at one point by Judge Don Ash when it was reviewed. It has now been appealed, and the citizens asked to come before this committee because this committee does have the authority to remove the law director for any reason with a 2/3 majority vote, followed by a 2/3 majority vote of the county commission. All of this being in accordance with the private act that establishes the law director office and allows the county to run that office. The results of the meeting is that we've agreed that we're going to have a meeting in the future, and the citizens will be able to do the catch-up of all the things that they think they could have commented on in the past. But we are going to get a legal opinion from the County Technical Services Group, CTAS, regarding the legal restraints on this committee to be discussing in an open forum the issues directly related to a case that's before the courts right now. Because the intent being, one, we want to break the law, put the county in jeopardy. We also want to ensure that the constitutional rights of both sides are maintained. One, that the people be able to give their views in an open forum, but secondly, that the person that's being accused of improper or illegal acts has the constitutional ability to defend themselves or give mitigating circumstances of any of those allegations.